Welcome to another Forensic Buddies video. Today we are trying to solve the murder of Sir McTuckins. We're going to be using a fuming chamber to see if we can find any fingerprints.
After further investigating the crime scene, we have found a suspicious-looking disc which may have latent fingerprints.
To see if the disc has any fingerprints, we will be using a fuming chamber to look and identify any prints found on the disc. For your safety, always wear eye goggles to protect your eyes while conducting this experiment.
And make sure to have gloves as well.
Also, keep an arm's length distance from the chamber.
And make sure to be in a well-ventilated area.
After we have investigated further into the murder, we have concluded that we have 3 suspects. Suspect number 1 is Lane. She has told investigators that she was at the crime scene 2 hours before Sir McTuckins' murder. Suspect number 2 is Kim. She was with McTuckins the night before his murder.
Suspect number 3 is Allie. She refuses to tell the investigators anything and chooses to remain silent. So we're going to be using the disc that we found at the crime scene, a little aluminum bowl boat thing to put the super glue and cotton ball in, and we're going to be using an aluminum made plate to hold hot water and a container to hold all of them in, as well as super glue.
Okay, you want to put everything in?
Yeah. We're going to put the disc in.
That may or may not have the fingerprints on them.
The hot water.
Then we put about 2 drops of super glue into the little tinfoil container that has the cotton ball. 1, 2. Then you seal the lid. And then, so you don't have to do this naturally, you turn on the lamp and set the container on the top for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of the container being on top of the lamp, you turn off the lamp and carefully remove the container from the top.
Then you open the container at an arm's length away. Take out the disc. You can see that there are some fingerprints starting to form, or have formed,
on the disc. Now that we have acquired a fingerprint, all we have to do is send it in and figure out who killed Sir McTuckins. After sealing the disc and taking it back to the forensic lab, we have concluded that suspect number 1, Lane, has fingerprints that match the ones that were on the disc and therefore is the murderer of Sir McTuckins.